Welcome to this Fixit or Easy Tech channel, and I want to take this opportunity to wish everybody the best for 2020. A Happy New Year, health and happiness to everyone, to your family and friends. This channel is a channel that is in transformation right now. I am looking for a direction to give it, actually. And this will be one of the priorities of 2020 to bring this channel to another level, if you want. Probably mixing in a lot more stuff, since this channel is monetized and actually has some views, some interesting views. I think that probably a mix of all the technology should be here, and that should be where I'm going to concentrate all of this in the new year. So we'll have Android videos, hopefully have more Mac videos, and iPhone videos. Also have all sorts of content regarding Windows and even some Linux stuff. I think all of this fits in here, as there's really a big mix of different technologies and different tips and different videos here. And I think it's just going to be a general tech channel for everything that is, all the technology we use every day, from smartphones to computers to all sorts of little devices, and even maybe some, review of all sorts of electronic gadgets that I receive throughout the year. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you for following this channel, and have a great and happy 2020. And hope to see you again in the new year with new videos and new content on this channel. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.